Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, today I will give a speech about science and social. But before that, it will be better if we introduce ourselves first, right? Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Allya from Senior High School 3 Palembang. My friends usually call me Leah and I was born on April 6, 2008 in Palembang. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that studying is a must, both religious knowledge and world knowledge. We know that with knowledge, we will never feel stupid. And also, we can socialize with any party. So then, without any further ado, I will give a speech entitled Science and Social. What is science and social? Science, also known as pure natural or physical science, and social science are two sciences that deal with the same scientific model and components of their own respective general laws. Science is more concerned with studying nature, while social is more concerned with human behavior and societies. The word of social is a term that comes from the Latin socius, which means everything that is born, grows, and develops in life together. Now, let me ask you a single question. Do you know what is the relationship between the context of science and the social context in society, and their relationship to education? Well, here I will discuss the understanding about the relationship between the context of science and the social context in society and its relationship to education. The context of science and the social context are two contexts that are essentially inseparable. The two contexts are related to each other. Even if one of the contexts is not applied, it cannot be implemented properly. Then, we have to find out about how the views of the scientific and the educational views on the relationship between the context of social and the context of science. In scientific view, the relationship between the context of science and the social context in terms of scientific research is closely related to the results and products of a researcher. When the product or the results obtained from a researcher that can be accepted by the community and can be useful to the community. The science and social context carried out by the researcher that has actually been implemented properly. And in educational view, in this regard, PISA, Program for International Student Assessment, divides the fields of application of science into three groups, namely life and health, Earth and the environment, and technology. Science problems and issues in these fields can be related to individual children, as part of society, and citizens of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, considering the important science and social for the life in the nation and state, as well as in personal life, that's the speech I delivered for today. Hopefully, it will be useful for all of us. Sorry if there are any mistakes. I end this speech with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.